Hi, I'm Hanif Salafi, the solution architect for Komi application at Mitra Integrasi Informatika, or MII. MII is one of the biggest digital solution provider company in Indonesia, operating as a subsidiary of Metro Data Electronics. MEE has developed Komi as one of our portfolio solutions specifically designed for the banking industry. Allow me to introduce our solution, the Komi framework, a framework to provide all banking solution. What is Komi? Komi, a comprehensive banking solution, is the result of innovation from MII aimed at delivering cutting-edge solution in the banking industry, supported by a team of experienced technology experts and developers. Komi is designed to address various challenges faced by modern financial institutions, from financial transaction to payment management, from virtual account integration to reliable payment gateway system. Komi provides a range of deep and many features. One of Komi main strengths is its ability to provide open API, allowing seamless integration with internal banking system and third-party application. This opens the doors to further innovation and development, expanding the reach of banking service towards a more inclusive and responsive market. Developed through a series of rigorous trials and careful iteration, Komi has proven to be the right choice for many customers in the banking industry in Indonesia for years. With its reliability and stability guaranteed, Komi instills confidence in banks to continue developing their service without worry about the technical issue. Overall, Komi is not just a framework, but an integration solution that combines technological excellence, security, and innovation to meet the increasingly complex and diverse market demands in this digital area. Here are some solutions that have been produced using Komi framework. Let's dive deeper into each of these solutions and how they can all bring significant added value to the banking industry. One, financial transaction, or BFAS. BFAS is a fast and efficient financial transaction system that enables bank and financial institutions to perform various types of transactions, such as real-time fund transfer between accounts. With BFAS, the transaction process becomes easier, secure, and can be done quickly without the need for complicated procedures. BFAS is a financial transaction system developed by Bank Indonesia. And the second, Unified Bill Payment. Unified Bill Payment is a solution that allows customers to make integrated bill payments in one platform. By using Unified Bill Payment, customer can pay various types of bills such as electricity, water, telephone, cable TV, and others, without having to switch between payment application or platform. And the third, Smart Virtual Account. Smart Virtual Account is an intelligent and customizable virtual account solution that allow companies to manage their financial transaction more efficiently. This virtual account can be used to receive payment from customers, separate fund for specific purpose, and track transaction in detail. And the fourth, ASB solution. ASB solution is an integration solution that allows various different systems and applications within an organization to communicate and interact with each other seamlessly. By using ASB solution, companies can improve operational efficiency, reduce IT infrastructure complexity, and enhance responsiveness to business changes. And the five, payment gateway. Payment gateway is a digital bridge that integrates multiple payment system into one system, making it easy to manage and monitor collectively. And then Open API. Open API or Snap is an open accessible application performing interface or API that can be accessed by third party. By using Open API, a bank can collaborate with other service provider, develop a new application, and enhance customer experience through the integration with various other service and products. Snap is developed by Bank Indonesia. And then a domestic and international transaction. This solution covered both the domestic and international transaction process. These include fund transfer, payment, and currency exchange between bank or financial institution within a country or domestic or across country or international. This solution ensure that the transactions are conducted quickly, secure, and in compliance with applicable regulations. And the last, fraud detection. Fraud detection solution is a system that uses data analysis and artificial intelligence to identify suspicious or unusual transaction patterns. By proactively detecting potential fraud, bank can reduce the risk of loss and maintain customer trust in their financial management. And here is an overview of the architecture of the COMI framework. COMI is a comprehensive framework consisting of several core components that work together to provide an integration solution for the banking industry. By leverage COMI, a bank can connect various payment channels ranging from web application, mobile apps to bank partners and other solution and other channels into a single gateway capable of effectively and securely processing transaction even using different protocols. The COMI gateway then connect to COMI core, the core of the system responsible for processing all types of transaction. COMI core is the core engine that capable of processing transaction efficiently and securely and integrating them with the bank's internal application and data source. To support its dynamic and adaptive function, COMI core use Yugabyte database as the distribute database option, ensuring scalable and reliable system performance. Moreover, to facilitate configuration management, parameters, monitoring, and others aspect, COMI core equipped with a management application called it COMI portal. The COMI portal serves as a user interface connected to COMI core through API access via the COMI gateway. Thus, bank can easily manage and monitor system operation centrally and efficiently. With the overall infrastructure, COMI becomes a comprehensive and innovative solution for the banking industry in facing future challenge. Here is a further explanation of two main components of COMI, that's COMI core and COMI portal. COMI core acts as the core system that's capable of processing various types of transaction with several features and functionalities as follows. One, communication. COMI core support built-in communication protocol, includes internet transfer protocol such as HTTP or HTTPS or SMTP or FTP or FTPS. to allow the system to communicate with various entities on the internet efficiently. And then web service standard like REST, SWAP, WSDL, UDDI, and WS security. Web service standard like REST, SWAP, WSDL, UDDI, and WS security provide a framework for create, manage, and integrating web service with other applications. REST and SWAP are commonly used approach for building web service, while WSDL, UDDI, and WS security are standards used to specifically discover and secure web service. Message models such as topics, publish, subscribe, queue, and point to point. And the last, data standard like JSON, XML, XML scheme, SLT, expect are used to format, transform, and extract information from the data. And then horizontal and vertical scalability support. Horizontal scalability refers to the system's ability to handle increased load by adding more resource horizontally, such as adding more servers. Vertical scalability, on the other hand, refers to the system ability to handle increased load by increasing the capacity of existing resources, such as increasing CPU speed or memory on existing servers. Support for both types of scalability to ensure that the system can grow according to business needs without sacrificing performance or availability. 3. Transforming and converting message type to ISO 222 or vice versa. ISO 222 is an international standard for the exchange of financial information between financial institutions by supporting transformation and conversion of message to or from ISO 222. The system can communicate with other financial institutions using this standard, enabling more efficient, standardized financial data exchange. 4. Support for interface with core banking system using ISO 8583. And then 5. Ability to run service in real-time and batch mode. This ability to run service in real-time mode allow the system to handle transaction or requests directly without significant delay. On other hand, batch mode allowed the system to process large amount of data or transaction simultaneously, improving operational efficiency and data consistency. And many other support available in COMI framework. By supporting various features and functionalities as mentioned above, the system becomes more flexible, scalable, and adaptable to rapidly changing business needs. And next, COMI portal, which serves the user interface for managing and monitoring various aspects of the system centrally. Has several features and functionalities as follows. 1. Monitoring all transaction. Monitoring all transaction is a crucial feature in the system that allow users to track and inspect every transaction that occurs on the platform in real time. This provides completely visibility into transaction activity, enabling quick detection or suspicious or unusual activities. 2. Manage system configuration and global variables. The ability to manage system configuration and global variables allow system administrators to set and control various aspects of system operation, such as security setting, user preference, network configuration, and other global settings. This enables users to customize the system according to their business needs. 3. Parameterized system to support various dynamic use cases. A parameterized system allows users to adjust system parameter or configuration according to various different use cases. This allows the system to be more flexible and responsive to changing business needs, as well as enabling easy the adaptation to evolving environment. For user and group management with access control list. User and group management features with ACL allow administrator to manage users and groups, as well as regulate their access right to various features and functions within the system. This ensures that only authorized users can access and utilize specific system resources, maintaining system security and integrity. 5. Providing convenience and in managing transaction costs. These features provide convenience in managing transaction costs, enable users to easily organize and manage the cost structure associated with transaction conduct on the platform. This may include setting tariff, monitoring costs, calculating commission, and configuring other settings related to transaction processing. And the last, capability to export transaction data. This ability to export transaction data allow users to extract data to store in the system and save it in suitable formats such as CSV, CSV, Excel, or PDF. By providing these all features, the system becomes more reliable, flexible, and easy to manage, better meeting the diverse needs and business requirements of users. By using the COMI framework, we offer various added value, such as reliable architecture, built to meet future need, reducing upgrade and extension costs while ensuring scalability and adaptability. And then enhance business agility, demonstrate agility from day one of operation, enabling rapid response to market changes and customer demands. And then accelerate time to market, adopt a BI model in architecture that shorten times to market from months or weeks to days, facilitating agile business operation. Then scalable growth, benefit from sizing estimate that consider aggressive growth, providing flexibility to develop the business faster and adapt to changing requirements. Proven expertise, mitigate risk with our solution. Proven track records demonstrate through successful implementation in large states on a bank in industries like financial, oil, and gas. Limitless use case. Address diverse business needs with no limits on potential use case, ensuring flexibility and adaptability across industry. Unparalleled performance, achieve extreme performance with high throughput and low latency, enhance efficiently and productivity. And then flexible and scalable architect, leverage the composable and scalable architecture that adapts to evolve business requirements, supporting growth and innovation. And the last, future-ready support, embrace DevOps and container runtime platform support, ensuring future scalability and seamless integration with emerging technology. The next slide is why COMI needs Yugabyte as the best solution for distributed database. The needs for Yugabyte as distributed database to support Komi is driven by the requirement of the majority of customer for a system that can support various business needs. Among them are the following business backgrounds underlying the needs for a distributed database. One, scalability and performance. Banking is an industry that process vast amounts of data in every day. With a distributed database, workload can be distributed among multiple nodes or server. There be enhancing overall system capability and performance. Core system used to access this database must operate efficiently with that distributed system. And then fault tolerance. System reliability is crucial in the banking industry. Distributed database allow data replication across several physical locations. So if one node fails, the system can still operate with data available on other nodes. Core system must manage the data replication and handle failures effectively. And then availability and reliability. High data availability is a necessity in banking. By using distributed database, bank can ensure that they remains available and accessible to system or application whenever needed. Core system must be designed to operate in an environment that provide high availability and data reliability. And then geographic distribution. Bank often have branch or office across various geographic location. Distributed database enable efficient data distribution among this location, allowing branch to access data quickly without significant network latency. Core system must efficiently manage data across from various locations. And the last, regulatory compliance. The banking industry is regulated by various stringent regulation concerning data security and privacy. Distributed database often come with robust security features such as data encryption and strict access control. Core system must ensure that the data access is properly regulated according to regulatory requirements. Based on that backgrounds, Komi implement two high availability schema to support all customer business needs. First, support for high availability active-active and active-passive. High availability active-active refers to a system configuration where multiple instances of a service runs simultaneously and actively serve traffic. In the setup, if one instance fails, other instance continue handling requests without disruption. This configuration enhances system resilience and ensure continuous service availability. High availability active-passive involve a setup where one instance active serve incoming requests while another instance passive remains on standby, ready to take over if the active instance failed. In the setup, there's a failover mechanism, automatically switching traffic to the passive instance in case of failure, minimizing downtime and ensuring service continuity. And the second, support for clustering in the same or different data centers. Clustering involves grouping multiple servers or nodes to work as a single system, enhancing performance, scalability, and reliability. Clustering in the same data center deploy multiple servers within the same physical location or facility, improving fault tolerance and load balancing locally. Clustering in different data center extend clustering across geographically distributed location, providing disaster recovery capabilities by replicating data and serve across multiple data centers. This enhance fault tolerance, ensure business continuity, and reduce downtime risk due to localized failures or disaster affecting in single data center.
Yugabyte is a distributed database platform that offers a number of significant benefits to its users. One of key advantage is the ability to provide high performance, high reliability, and manageable horizontal scalability. The platform is designed to handle very large workload with support for consistent ACID transaction, which are atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. With its distributed design, Yugabyte can expand the infrastructure horizontally without sacrificing the performance. Yugabyte uses a natively distributed architecture which allow the database cluster to be expanded horizontally with ease. In Yugabyte, the sudden addition of nodes does not require complex manual configuration. Instead, the platform is designed to automatically detect the addition of new nodes and dynamically adjust data replication to newly added nodes. When an administrator adds a new node to the cluster, the system automatically detects its presence. Then data will be automatically replicated to the new node according to the predefined replication configuration. With this approach, adding new node not only expand the total capacity of the clusters, but also improve overall data availability and reliability. Without the need for complex manual configuration, user can easily upgrade their database infrastructure according to COMI application needs and growing data volume. In the context of an active scenario, the addition of new node will automatically contribute to increase COMI application availability and performance. With balanced data replication across cluster nodes, Yugabyte ensure that data is always available to COMI application, even if some nodes is fail. This allows COMI application to continue operating without interruption, even in unexpected situations such as hardware or infrastructure failures. Compared to PostgreSQL Community Edition, Yugabyte offers various additional features such as multi-regional distributed SQL that enable real-time replication of data across different geographic regions. In addition, Yugabyte provides active capability that make it possible to write and read data from multiple locations simultaneously without sacrificing consistency. This make it more suitable for COMI application that require high fidelity and fault tolerance. Yugabyte is designed with powerful and automatic data replication features, so data can be easily replicated between DC and DRC. In the context of data distribution at Yugabyte, DC or data center and DRC or disaster recovery center play an important role in ensuring data availability and risk mitigation. When the data is written to a Yugabyte cluster at the DC, the system will automatically copy the data to the DRC, ensuring that there is a consistent copy at the backup location. When the problem occurs at the DC, such as hardware failure or network disruption, the DRC is there as a backup to protect data integrity and availability. With automatic data replication between the DC and DRC, Yugabyte ensure that data is always available and protected from failure that may occur at either location. When problem occur at the DC, COMI application can automatically switch to the DRC without losing access to the data or compromising user experience. In addition, Yugabyte also allow user to configure replication policy to suit their business need. This means user can customize the number of data replicas stored in the DC and DRC, as well as choose a replication strategy that best suit their data availability and consistency needs. With this approach, Yugabyte ensure that data is always secure and available, even in the event of emergency or DC failure. This gives user peace of mind, ensuring the business operation can continue without significant disruption due to infrastructure failure. In terms of security, Gigabyte provides security features such as at-rest and in-transit data encryption, as well as integration with external key management tools. The platform makes it possible to implement strict security policy in accordance with COMI application needs and applicable regulation. One of the reasons for choosing Yugabyte over EDB or Enterprise DB was its ability to provide enterprise level features without having to think about the additional cost of license. EDB, while offering powerful PostgreSQL, is often associated with license fees that are quite high for enterprise use. On the other hand, Yugabyte provides an open source license that allows users to take advantage of its superior features without significant additional costs. In addition, the data processing scheme utilized by Yugabyte is designed to ensure data consistency and reliability across the clusters. By utilizing a distributed architecture, data is stored redundantly across multiple nodes, thus minimizing the risk of data loss and enabling rapid recovery in case of failure. Overall, Yugabyte stands out in terms of performance, scalability, availability, and security, while still maintaining a user-friendly licensing model. With its active capability and advanced features, Yugabyte is in an attractive choice for modern COMI application that require a reliable and scalable database.
Thank you. That's all for COMI framework and Yugabyte presentation.